Tara, samahan niyo ako sa kung saan masarap gumala! Samahan niyo ako at pupunta tayo sa isang resort na kinalakihan at pinupuntahan namin nung kabataan pa. This is located in Menuyan, Murcia, Negros Occidental. Welcome to Mambucal Resort and Wildlife Sanctuary. Best place for relaxation, feel the nature, muni-muni, swimming, or even food trip with your friends or loved ones. Ililink ko ang official page nila sa comment section and sa description box para kung may question kayo about the rates, you can go ahead and directly message them. We're here right now sa dipping pool nila, and this, by the way, is included na sa entrance fee na binayaran mo. Open sila daily for a day trip or an overnight stay. Mainit ang temperature ng dipping pool nila, so kung 10 is the highest, nasa between 7 or 8. Kayang-kaya mo. Tingnan nila naman. Cause of delay. Dira ka sa kilid ko sa other side. Dapat kasi kita lahat sa camera, Day. Lilipat kami sa malaking pool, guys. Say hi, guys. So dati, nung mga bata kami, excursion pang tawag doon. Basta yung mga family swimming, dito yon mostly nagaganap. May mga picture kami dito nung bata kami. Diyan. Ayan. And here na sa pool na located near the entrance, ito yung small pool ata nila. Ang kagandahan sa pool na to is sobrang lamig naman to. We are just cooling down and have our pores closed. So Keme. Swim, guys. We are now heading sa food court. Check natin kung ano yung makakain namin doon. Diba? Ang gaganda na. And if you're still watching at this point, thank you so much for watching. Follow for more at sasamahan mo ako sa kung saan masarap kumain at gumala at the same time. Chicken oil. I forgot the name of the restaurant. Basta kung galing ka sa main entrance at papasok ka sa food court, this is located on the left side, pinakadulo. Price point is between 150 to 350 pesos. May masarap ka na pagkain and dessert. Mode of payment nila dito, it's either cash or any mobile wallet. Oh, may ice cream pa sa dalawang. Masarap ang halo-halo nila. This is recommended. Sa lapatis? Sa mga Cyber Center. Takas maka-foreigner. So what are you waiting for? If Negros Occidental is one of your travel itinerary, then consider this. Kadto ka mo diri sa Mambucal Resort and Wildlife Sanctuary. If you're planning to visit Mambucal, ang mode of transportation dito, it's either via public vehicle na pwede nyong mapuntahan sa Libertad Market in front of SM Hypermarket, and if private car ka naman, mag-Google Maps ka na. Hanggang dito na lang. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next vlog. And if na-miss mo ang previous vlog ko, just visit my Facebook, go to my album entitled Mini Vlog, and you can watch Keen's Brews. Take care always and have fun. Bye-bye!